And a good hello to you, and thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and I'm here to talk to you about some things that are going on in my life. Some of you might have noticed I haven't made a video in a while. Well, that's because I haven't been doing much traveling. This channel has basically been about exploring some travel stuff and trying to do some Masonic stuff and RV parks reviews and that sort of thing. And I'm still doing some of that, but not nearly as much as I was because as a milestone, I've got some things to share with you. So come along with us and find out what I'm talking about, because I don't even know what I'm talking about. So I want to know too, because you've just entered the Coolest Life update edition. So what am I talking about? Oh, a lot of things have happened. Not only have I bought a house, I say I mean we, my wife and I, bought a house here in Bradenton, Florida. Also bought a car, which I'll be doing a video about that really soon. It's an electric car. I went total electric. Where do you see this thing? Hopefully that's going to go out well. I'm going to do some videos on that. I got some videos that's going to come up. I'm going to be doing some Tai Chi, but I'm going to incorporate some things you haven't seen very anywhere else. Let me just say that, having to do with sports. I've taken up to doing some Tai Chi, and maybe this will actually give me a chance to do even more Tai Chi, which I need to. Really helps the balance as you get older, older. But those are some things that have been coming up. I don't have an out-of-town trip planned until September. So maybe doing some things around here. I'm planning to go to a baseball game. I'm going to go see the Bradenton Marauders play. They're a minor league team here in Bradenton. I've kind of find out their park is, they're only, their baseball park is like 3 miles from my house. It's a great thing about being in Bradenton. There's so much that is so close. I work 9 miles from my house. The beach is 11 miles from my house. I've got 3 Walmarts within, I'd say, 10 miles in different directions. There is a Winn-Dixie a block away. I can actually walk to it, pizza places and everything. And yet I'm in a gated community. If you see some other pictures, it's the gated community has got a big lake out behind it. So once we get it in somewhat of a decent tour order, let's just say there's still a lot of stuff everywhere. It's not dirty. It's just still a little cluttered, and things are still trying to find themselves a home in whatever cubby they need to be in. So I've got that going on. The other thing is, so that being said, I'm going to be doing a video on those things, which is the house itself, and some different issues I've had with the house, and regrets, and some things that I'm absolutely glad it happened. So that's pretty much what's going on. I just want to kind of give you a quick video update for those of you who are truly following us. Of course, I do this video, spend all this time on doing updates. I'm going to get like 30 views. Check the views now. Yeah, click on that button right there. Yeah, the one that's got the arrow, and see what it says right up there as far as how many views I've got. Probably not many. Anyway, hey, leave a comment below if maybe you got some ideas, some videos you might want to see me do, or maybe some places you want to see me go in the local area. I hope to go to Busch Gardens. Is actually one of my favorite theme parks, and because it incorporates a zoo, and I love me some zoos. So I'm gonna want to do a video of that. But if you think of some other things maybe down in South Florida you'd like me to video and put online. But right now, as far as this video goes, I'm gonna let you go, because you are now leaving the Coolest Life travel update edition.